drive it. So I got it running pretty good now. I don't have brakes.
As the field has been neutralized, and she had no brakes.
I know I probably need brakes, but I'm not too worried about it because I'm not gonna be going very fast. We're probably just gonna go up and down the street. Just slow, just to make sure it does run and drive before I go ahead and commit myself into fixing the brakes and everything else. But I do have new brake pads. I just haven't had a time to put them on. So my friend Donnie is coming over to help me out. He's more than likely gonna drive it first. I don't want to kill myself with not knowing how to stop with no brakes.
Oh. You want me to ride it first, or you want? What's up?
You wanna go first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Yeah?
I'm gonna put the helmet on and everything because I don't want to die.
Death trap.
I probably haven't put this helmet on in at least 4 years.
Well, also you sold your dirt bike, huh?
Yeah.
The last ride?
Yeah, the last ride.
Yeah, well, this might change your mind.
It's got 2 off buttons.
Yeah, it's like, if you really panic, it don't matter which way you turn it, it's gonna turn off.
That's pretty good. No gas, it'll just crank right up?
Yep. You might have to give it to just stay alive.
Oh, we're not used to that. The thumb throttle thing. I think I was on the brakes for maybe 3 houses before it stopped. It's like,
I told you the brakes weren't good. You're like, man.
is it loud?
It's loud, but I don't know.
I don't ride it too.
No, you can't ride that one.
Why?
Only when it's in the garage. You can't ride it. When I get good at it, then maybe I'll take you out on it.
No, I'll ride by myself.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Did you see how fast that thing was?
No.
Three-wheeler's weird.
It's fun.
It doesn't want to turn. So the back brake doesn't work at all. It's just you know,
I don't need no brakes,
just know where your front brake is, okay? Just know where it's at, okay? And
I'm not gonna go that fast.
be on it really early, okay? Because you can squeeze the hell out of it. It ain't gonna stop. It ain't gonna stop. It's gonna slow you down. Well, that was the best one yet.
What?
You gonna get a lunch?
A launch?
Yeah, man. Gotta get one lunch. Launch it right into the water.
All right, guys. So the brakes are fixed and she stops. So next video we should be increasing the speed and maybe even doing some wheelies. We'll see. We're gonna try. At least I'm gonna try. But like I said, brakes are good. Or maybe getting some tires, maybe some performance parts. We'll see. Please comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.